Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 7 mathematics, we will start the new lesson decimal. As we have already idea about this lesson because we have also studied in class 6 also. So here we will start exercise 3a. Exercise 3a. The very first question of exercise 3a, convert each of the following fraction into the simplest form. For example, we have to convert decimal 8 into fraction and then simplest form. So for converting decimal 8 into fraction, we have to remove the decimal. When we remove the decimal, here 1 comes, and after decimal here 1 digit, so we have to mark 1 0 here. 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. The result will be 4 by 5. Look one more example here. Question number 4. Decimal 285. Now, for converting into a fraction, we have to write decimal 285. Now remove decimal from here. Ones come. After decimal here 3 digits, so we have to mark here 3 zeros. Now with 5 with 200 times, with 5 5 is 25. 5 7 is 35. The result will be 57 by 200. Now in question number 2, convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. In question number 2, convert each of the following into a mixed fraction, not fixed, mixed fraction. Here the very first question is 5 decimal 6. Now, whatever the number comes before the decimal, that is the whole number of the mixed fraction. Here, in this decimal number, the 5 comes before the decimal. So 5 is the whole number of the mixed fraction. Then we have to write the decimal 6. Now we have to decimal remove from here. 1 comes here, after decimal 1 digit, put 0 here. 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. So the result will be 5 whole 3 by 5. Look one more example, question number 4 here. 4 decimal 625. Now, before decimal, what number here? Present here 4. 4 is the whole number of the mixed fraction. Now we have to write decimal 625. Now when we remove decimal here, ones come. After decimal here 3 digit, 3 times 0. With 25 is 6 25 4 is 140. 5 5 is 25, 5 8 is 40. So the answer will be 4 whole 5 out of 8. Now in question number 3rd. Convert each of the following into a decimal. Or suppose 47 by 10. This number we have to convert into decimal. Now for converting them into decimal, how many zeros are here? 1 0. So we have to put the decimal after the first digit. 4 decimal 7 by 1, that is 4 decimal 7. Similarly in question number 4. 3524 divided by 1000. Now here 3 zeros are present. So cut these 3 zeros and put the decimal after 3 digit. 3 decimal 524 by 1, that is equal to 3 decimal 524. Question number 1 to 4 are same. Now question number 5 to 8 are also same. So look one example here. Question number 5. Convert 25 by 8. For converting into decimal form, we have to divide 25 with 8. Now 8 3 are 24. Now keep a decimal here. From a decimal you have to take infinite times single zero. But each time we can take only 1 0. Now we have taken 1 0. Now with 8, 10 is divided 1 time. 2. Again with this decimal we will take here 0. 8 2 is 16. Here 4 remains. 8 5 is 40. So the value of 25 by 8, that is equal to 3 whole 125. After decimal we have to read each digit separately. We can't read it 3 decimal 125. We have to read it like this, 3 decimal 125 in this way. So after solving this, we have to move on question number 4. Now in question number 4, convert each of the following into light decimal. In question number 4, convert each of the following into a light decimal. 6.5, the first question is here. 16.03, 0.274, 119.4. Now, whenever we have to convert any given set of numbers in light decimal, first we have to look here, after decimal, what are the maximum number of digits? Here the after decimal, the number of digit is 1. Here after decimal, the number of digit 2. Here after decimal, the number of digits 3. Here after decimal, number of digit 1. So the maximum number of digit after decimal is here 3. So we have to change each decimal in such a way that after decimal, each decimals contain 3 digits. For example, 6.5 here, now put 2 zeros here. 6.03 here, 2 digits, so 1 0 we have to mark. Here after decimal already 3 digits are present, there is no change required here. And 119.4 here, then after decimal we have to 1 digit here, we have to mark 2 zeros here. Okay. Now in next question we have to compare the decimals. For example, 78.23 and 69.85. Now we have to look the digits before decimal. Before decimal here 78 and before decimal here 69. So 78 is greater, so we have to mark the greater sign like this. In the same way, we have to solve the rest of the question. Now look at question number 6. In question number 6, arrange the following decimal in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to larger. Arrange in ascending order. 4.6, 7.4, 4.58, 7.32 and 4.06. Now for converting into ascending order or arranging in ascending order, first we have to convert in like decimal. 4.60, 7.40, 4.58, 7.32 and 4.06. Now we look here, the smallest decimal is here 4.06, so we have to write 4.06 is smaller than, the next one is 4.60 is a smaller, next is here 4.58 is smaller than 4.60 is smaller than 7.32 is smaller than 7.40. Okay, in this way we can write here 4.06 is smaller than 4.58 and 4.60 we have got from 4.6, so we have to write here 4.6 is smaller than 7.32 and 7.40 we have got from 7.4, so we have to write here 7.4. That's the way by which we can arrange the decimals in ascending order. In question number 7, it is given in arrange the decimals in descending order. In the same way, first we have to convert the decimal into light decimal. After that, in descending order, it is a sequence of larger to smaller, Same way, if you solve question number 7, so you have to solve question number 7 by yourself. Now move on next question, question number 8 here. Now look at question number 8. Express 45 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Now 45 millimeter is equal to 45 into 1 by 10 centimeter, because 1 by 10 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. Therefore 45 by 10 centimeter, that is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now 45 millimeter, that is equal to 45 into 1 by 1000 meter. Why? Because 1 by 1000 meter, that is 1 millimeter. Therefore 45 by 1000 meter. Now we have to mark a 0 here. Keep the 3 decimals out and put a decimal. 0.045 meter. Now 45 millimeter is equal to 45 into 1 by 10 lakhs kilometer. Because 1 by 10 lakh kilometer is equal to 1 millimeter. So therefore 45 by, now here how many zeros are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Here 2 digits only. So we have to mark 4 zeros before the 45. Now this 6 digit will cancel and here this decimal comes. 0.0000045 kilometer. That's the answer. In this way you can change the 45 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. This you have to remember also. Okay. Now moving on next question. Express as rupees using decimal. Express as rupees using decimals. Now the first question here, 8 paise. Whenever you have to convert the paise into rupees, you have to divide the paise with 100, because 1 by 100 rupees is equal to 1 paisa. Therefore, now here 2 zeros are present, so put a 0 here, put a decimal. 0.08 rupees. That's our answer. Similarly, in question number 10, express in kilometer using decimal. Express in kilometer using decimals. Here the question is given 65 meter, that is 65 by 1000 kilometer, because 1 by 1000 kilometer is equal to 1 meter. Now here 3 zeros are present, so keep a 0 here, cut it. Now 0.065 kilometer. In the same way, you have to solve the rest question of question number 10. So this way, you can complete exercise 3 way. Now in my next video, we will discuss about the exercise 3B. Thank you for watching.